There's a dog up there barking. Look. See it? See it? Kingston, see it?
Oh, that's that little dog.
Yeah. Okay. This King is gone ahead. King is gone ahead of you. Come on. Yeah, he's barking up there. And King right there looking at him like, who's making all that noise so early? Who's making all that noise, all right, Kingston? Who's? What is it? Oh, the black one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, when?
She said September.
Golly. But he looked so healthy, though. He never looked sick.
He was a diabetic, too.
Oh.
He was up there. He was 15, I think. He was kind of old, too.